So hi everybody, Hubby here with Just About Anything Garage on a rainy Sunday morning. I thought I'd give you just a real quickie video here, update on the C30. It seems that it's not ready to stop just yet, and we're getting ready here to move it out, get some other stuff done, and then get it back in and start the big project on it here shortly. But if you recall from the other updates that I did on it, we went through and we were checking on brakes, and we capped off the rear brakes because we already saw a couple leaking cylinders back there, and all we needed was the ability just to stop, so we didn't have to always use the trans brake, pulling the lever to do that. Well, we went and we plugged that off, we went and bled the brakes and pumped them up, and we got plenty of pedal, but when we went to drive it, had no brakes on it. So let me show you what happened here real quick. I'm going to go ahead and turn this light on and show you. As you can see, I've got the brakes disassembled on one of the front sides, and what we found here was that the cylinders are just totally rusted solid inside. They just don't move, and I'm assuming it's on both, not just on this one. We checked the right rubber hoses as well. It's down here, as you can see it. I cut it. It's not swollen or anything, but it's there. But this also gave me a big problem getting it out. One of the bolts on the back, as you can see here, came out just fine, but the other one wouldn't, and it rounded the top off. So what I had to do is take my reciprocating tool right there, cut it off, and then we broke it out. Pulled it back. As you can see that we have some fatter opening here than we do here. So what we're going to do to fix that is basically we're going to get in there, we're going to find a new bolt that'll work for it. We're going to put a little bit bigger washer on it, and we're going to bolt the old cylinder up. I'll get the old one out, and we'll bolt the old cylinder up with the new washer in it, get everything all set, and then we'll just tack weld the washer on the back to take up the space there and make sure that we have a good mounting for the new ones that are on order. So we've gone and done that. I've gone to Rock Auto, and we got the brakes ordered for it. New cylinder, wheel cylinders for it, and that should take care of the braking problem. Then we'll have brakes. Then I can get this out safely, get it around the yard, drive it about, and do a couple other things that we need to do in here. And then we'll go ahead and we'll pull this baby in, and we'll start the big project on it in parallel with the Ghost project, which we're on the second video for that one. So if you're watching that series, stay tuned, because that one will be coming up real soon. So we appreciate you. We'll see you real soon with an update on where the brakes stand.